Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring a matching Python interpreter. Install Jupyter and Pycharm into that environment so Pycharm can run notebooks. Once done, enable the Pycharm Jupyter plugin and restart the IDE to load features. Make sure the interpreter you pick is the same virtualenv or conda env you use for development, because kernels tie to environments. This alignment prevents package mismatches and speeds execution. So pick the interpreter consciously and verify pip or conda installs succeeded. Now register a kernel from the interpreter so Jupyter recognizes your environment, run the ipycernel install command, and give it a clear name. Then open or create an ipinb in Pycharm. Use File New Jupyter Notebook. Once the notebook opens, use the kernel selector in the top right toolbar to pick the kernel you just created. This ensures executed cells run in the intended environment. It also loads the correct site packages, avoiding import errors and mismatched versions. Finish by running a simple cell that prints sys, executable and import statements to confirm the kernel path and package availability. Make sure notebook settings suit your workflow, adjust autosave and execution timeout, and enable Python console integration if needed. If things go wrong, restart the kernel first, then reinstall ipycernel into the environment, and if needed, reassign the interpreter inside Pycharm. This sequence isolates environment, kernel, and IDE issues, so you fix the root cause rather than masking errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.